Now, as the abbreviated holiday trading week draws to a close here on Wall Street, investors are now looking forward to not just a new trading week, but a new month as well, as the 2024 holiday season is in full effect here on Wall Street. December has arrived and all eyes are on whether or not the recent market rally will carry over, because last week the market saw yet another record close for the Dow Jones and more steady gains for both the Nasdaq and the S&P, while on a monthly basis the Dow saw gains for November above 7%. That's the best month for the Dow since November 2023. The S&P 500, the Nasdaq advancing 0.7% and 0.4% respectively on the week, with both slated to end the month higher by more than 5%. But now it's time to look ahead. Will these gains carry over into the first trading week of the final month of trade for the year 2024? Let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the week ahead. Monday kicks off in the European Union as ECB President Christine Lagarde, she has a speech that will take center stage, while here in the U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of November due out, expectations 47.5. Tuesday sees the focus remain in the U.S. with October jobs opening numbers, expectations 7.49 million, and then on Wednesday services PMI numbers due out of France, Germany, the European Union, the UK, and here in the U.S. ISM services PMI in the U.S. expected 55.5. And speaking of the U.S., a new month means new job numbers. Private payrolls, ADP, those numbers await expectations 166,000. That will then be followed by the beige book by the Fed in the afternoon hours. Thursday, a bit of a quiet session with U.S. weekly jobless claims. Those numbers will be on tap, as well as bill auctions, but it's on Friday when we see a pickup in action. First in the European Union, third quarter European GDP numbers due out, expectations 0.4% quarter over quarter, 0.9% year over year. And then in the U.S., it's all about those jobs numbers. The November employment report due out. November non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. Non-farm payrolls penciled in 183,000, in the U.S. unemployment rate for November expected to remain unchanged to 4.1%. Now, keep in mind that it is the holiday season. Retailer numbers will be in focus, and they could move the markets. In addition, keep an eye on any geopolitical updates as the year 2024 draws to a close. Those headlines have been in focus for quite some time as well. And until next week, reporting live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Swinney for ICM.